Welcome to 900 Mountain Creek Road, Unit F79 in the Signal View condominiums. This condo features parking right out front of your door, and just a few little steps up into the unit. There's a brand new Anderson storm door, and new windows from Window World, which are definitely updates from the rest of the neighborhood that has aluminum windows. This is one of the only one-bedroom condos that has a washer and dryer hookups, and comes with this washer and dryer. There's also a little dining area. The owner also completely remodeled the kitchen. So you got new flooring, new cabinets, new countertops, new pools, new microwave, new sink. Comes with everything that you see here. She has taken immaculate care of the apartment. This would be the living space. Carpets look great. Like I said, new windows and storm door that you can lower. And if you want, during the spring, let some of the breeze in. Got a little coat closet here off of the living room. Also redone the bathroom and put some new hardware, new doors, new floor in here. Made it a little bit nicer. Nice looking bathroom. And this is the master bedroom, a nice big master bedroom. Looks onto the courtyard with a new Window World window also. Looks into the courtyard out back. And here's a shot of the window from the back corner. It's got a nice walk-in closet for lots of clothes storage here. So, and that concludes our tour of Signal View Condos, Unit F79.